The PAC M2 PCB Card, your solution for efficient power distribution and regulation, designed to withstand high voltage with a 94V0 rating. The PAC M2 PCB Card offers exceptional power distribution and regulation. Featuring the RIPOWER PKC2132P IDC-DC, this component is ideal for demanding electronic applications. The PAC M2 PCB Card is a pinnacle of engineering excellence crafted for superior power distribution and regulation. This quality component is essential for businesses seeking dependable power management solutions, ensuring your operations run smoothly and efficiently. This card is an essential asset for businesses aiming for dependable power management, providing the stability and efficiency your operations require. The PAC M2 PCB Card boasts a 94V0 rating, ensuring it meets the toughest safety standards. It's designed to maintain safety without compromising on performance, making it an ideal choice for businesses prioritizing safety and reliability. This ensures the card can withstand high voltage levels without sacrificing safety, making it ideal for businesses that prioritize both protection and performance. With the PAC M2, experience unmatched safety and reliability, safeguarding your operations and investments effectively. Its integration is crucial for enhancing system reliability and performance, making it an indispensable asset for businesses focused on efficiency and innovation. Trust the RIPOWER for superior power solutions. Thank you for watching.